Hey guys, welcome to this brand new video of Check on Tech, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how can you enable SSH from your hosting account. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Firstly, you guys need to log into your hosting account and choose your preferred domain for which you want to enable your SSH. Then move on to the advanced tab over here and click on the SSH Access. Once you are here, you guys need to simply click on this enable button. So after you have enabled it, your SSH is successfully enabled, and now you can connect your account through SSH. So for the first, if you are trying this for the first time, you guys need to do is change the password and keep it something really simple. Let me quickly do it. Once you have done, just hit the change button. Our password is successfully changed. So this is how you enable your SSH access. You can connect to your SSH account through this details given here. For this, you can use your built-in terminal like this. Just copy it, open your CMD, and just paste it right here. Just hit enter and enter the password that you had recently changed. So the password will not be displayed as you type because of some security reasons. So enter and you are inside your cPanel. So you can do is ls. You can see here domains and public HTML, so you can perform various operations through this. If you want to try any advanced terminal like Tabby or something else, you can just go to the link in the description and you can find a page or the article written about it. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day and bye bye.